Welcome to our analysis of CodeMonkey, a leading platform for teaching coding in a fun, game-based environment. CodeMonkey offers a range of interactive courses to learn coding, from CoffeeScript for beginners to Python and JavaScript for more advanced learners. The platform is popular among schools and individual learners alike, providing a comprehensive, accessible introduction to coding. CodeMonkey stands out for its engaging, game-based learning environment. Students code to solve puzzles, creating a fun, interactive experience. The platform offers a variety of coding languages, including CoffeeScript, Python, and JavaScript. It also provides real-time feedback, personalized learning paths, and a comprehensive teacher dashboard. Furthermore, CodeMonkey is aligned with international coding standards, ensuring relevant, high-quality education. CodeMonkey offers several subscription plans to meet different needs. The basic plan starts at $4.95 per month, providing access to all courses, challenges, and teacher resources. A classroom plan for schools starts at $10 per student per year. There's also a district-wide plan with custom pricing. All plans come with a 14-day free trial, so you can test the platform before committing. CodeMonkey is ideal for both individual learners and classrooms. Individuals seeking a fun, interactive way to learn coding will find the platform engaging. Teachers can use CodeMonkey to introduce coding to students, track their progress, and personalize their learning. Schools and districts can leverage the platform to integrate coding into their curriculum, fostering digital literacy among students. CodeMonkey offers several advantages. Its game-based learning approach makes coding fun and engaging, promoting active learning. The variety of coding languages taught caters to different levels of expertise. Real-time feedback and personalized learning paths enhance learning outcomes. Plus, the platform's alignment with international coding standards ensures a high-quality, relevant education. Despite its advantages, CodeMonkey has some limitations. The platform might be too simplistic for advanced coders seeking in-depth learning. Its game-based approach, while engaging, might not appeal to all learners. Additionally, while the pricing is reasonable, it might still be a hurdle for some potential users, especially those in developing countries. In conclusion, CodeMonkey is a valuable platform for learning coding in a fun, interactive way. It offers a range of courses, real-time feedback, and personalized learning paths. However, its simplicity might not cater to advanced coders, and its pricing might be a barrier for some. Overall, it's a great tool for beginners and classrooms, fostering an enjoyable learning experience. To summarize, CodeMonkey's strengths lie in its game-based learning, variety of courses, and comprehensive teacher resources. It's ideal for beginners and classrooms. However, it might not cater to advanced coders, and its pricing could be a hurdle for some. Despite these limitations, it's a valuable tool for fostering digital literacy and making coding enjoyable. Thank you for joining our analysis of CodeMonkey. We hope this information aids your decision-making process. Please remember, the best learning tool is one that aligns with your needs and preferences. So, give CodeMonkey a try and see if it's the right fit for you. If you found this analysis helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comprehensive tech reviews. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you make informed decisions about your learning journey. Thanks again, and see you in our next video.